In front of me is Pixel 5, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech feature. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate system. Here click on languages and input, and open advanced options. Now you will notice text-to-speech output smoothly marked, and here you can smoothly change all the setup. So at first you can change the language. You can either use system language or pick any other from this list. So let me pick, for example, that can be Arabic. Okay, so actually I do not have Arabic downloaded on my device, but we can pick Filipino. And now you can listen to the default setup.
Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
And then you can change the pitch smoothly by using the scale and also speech rate.
Isa itong halimbawa ng pangungusap sa wikang Filipino.
To go back to default setup, just click on reset. Let me also show you the default language with some different speech rate and also pitch.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So this is it. This is how you can manage text-to-speech output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.